I can't tell you where the funk my microphone is, for starters. Two, I really pray that y'all heard anything that I was saying. If not, it'll have to be a voiceover at this point, y'all. This is ridiculous. Like, it's always some bullshit every time I get ready to do a video. Look at this. Just look at this. Microphone all off to the side. Who told your snot to be on my chest so the people can hear what I'm saying? Dang. Pep talk. First and foremost, I'm gonna use the P. Louise Mama Mitchell. I think is the Acid Rain in blank canvas. So this is the base that I'm gonna be using today. And it's my first time using this. I am very intrigued. Yeah, so it's very thick. I think I'm gonna like that a lot, actually. Just kind of pat that all over my lid. I'm just gonna pat off the excess per usual. And I think I'm gonna carry this under the bottom too. Like just the extra product off of this brush here. I'm not gonna add anymore, I don't think. Hold on, child. Just gonna add a little tiny little tad bit more. Y'all, the faces that you have to make to get this stuff right is so crucial. So today I am gonna be going back into my Matte Bright palette from Beauty Bay. And I'm gonna use the purple roll today, evidently. Just this roll here on the bottom. And I'm gonna be using a little bit of this black. And I am gonna be very, very careful using this palette because as we all saw how disappointed I was when I hit pan. So I'm wondering if these are like pressed pigments, why it chopped up like that. But girl, I was hurt. So starting with Living for Lavender. Okay, she doing a little bit, y'all. I think I'm gonna take a tiny brush to do the inside because I don't want the eyeshadows to get too far gone next to my nose. So my Morphe E36 brush, I'm gonna use that for my inner corner. Trying to keep this inner corner very, very controlled. See how that's getting like deeper and deeper? That's what we going for, y'all. Like, that's what you want to do, okay? Lightest to darkest. That is how you're going to get a very, very nice gradient. Putting y'all up on game, okay? Purple Power and Living for Lavender together to blend that just a little bit. I'm gonna do the same to this side. So now I'm gonna take Grape Escape on the little brush and put some in the inner corner. Let's kind of build this up. So to add my black, I'm gonna use this teeny tiny little paintbrush, and I'm just gonna very lightly tap all the excess off. And I'm gonna go in my inner corner with some of Illicit. And I'm only keeping this like at the back of the eyeshadow. So same brush, I'm doing the same thing on the outside. So back with the E36, I'm just going to very, very lightly soften the black into the other purples. And I did not add no extra product to do this part. Now in the Beauty Bay palette, there's a color called Stormy Nights and a color called Blue, B-L-E-U. This is Stormy Nights and this one is Blue. They look purple on camera, but they're both blue colors. So I'm gonna take Ife. I always want to call Ife Yajidi, but it's Ife from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. Y'all, I probably don't do not a one makeup look where I don't reach for something from Juvia's Place. Like, I want to say hands down Juvia's Place is my favorite makeup brand, like all together. And I'm just going to use that color like as a bridge. Okay, I'm gonna go into my NYX glitter primer. I'm just gonna pat some of that in the middle. So I'm gonna take two of my pigments from ColourPop Cosmetics. I don't know the name of them. These were gifted to me from a friend. She just kind of shared some out with me. So I keep mine in this little pill container. I'm gonna go into this white shade and like this periwinkle shade, and I'm just gonna mix those together. So I'm just stamping that right on. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of Purple Power back in the Beauty Bay palette and just kind of fade that along the edges until I get the shape like I really want it. So Five Below have these little makeup palettes, and this one is the Precious Gem palette. And I was just curious about these pressed glitters. Normally I don't like pressed glitters, but I'm gonna try it out today. I'm gonna use this silver one right here, just about that much. And I'm gonna kind of dot that on. Just any kind of way, really. Eyelash glue that I like to use for my glitters. And I'm gonna be using this glitter here. that I already have pre-mixed from several other purple glitter makeup looks. So for my diamonds, I like to add those on with my Duo eyelash glue, the one with the brush. And it's easy to just dot where you want the diamonds to go, and everything just falls right in place. So I'll do about 3 diamonds. Okay, so my foundation and everything is done, and today I went back to my regular schmegular foundation routine with my I Am Magic foundation and concealers from Juvia's Place. You already know the scoop on that. So for my lips, I'm using NYX Professional Pencil and Downtown Beauty Child. And they have like other products than just this like lip liners. They have eyeliner. They probably even have eyeshadow palettes, but I just really love those liquid lipsticks, and they only like $2, y'all. Y'all, this is like the prettiest matte lip, nude lip combo. I know everybody don't really care for nude, but nude, oh my nose, y'all, it's tickling. I know everybody don't really care for nude, but it's so just, ugh, girl, like, this all I be needing. Just this. So when I was at the hair store the other day, I came across this Diamond Glow lip gloss, and it's real pretty, y'all. Look at that glitter. And this is by Nicka K. So Nicka K is another like hair store brand, I want to say. I don't want to call it a hair store brand, but child, Nicka K be out in the hair store. I don't know if I've seen Nicka K anywhere else, matter of fact. Oh, look. Y'all, please do not sleep on these beauty supply store makeups. Dang, that's pretty. Really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I do be uploading on Tuesdays. I'm doing much better with staying consistent. And don't forget to leave me comments down below saying what you may want to see in the future. Leave me comments on what you thought about this look, and keep your eyes peeled for next week, because girl, we coming hard, we coming strong, okay? Yes.